Sound of Seoul for me is so much. It's like there's an explosion of sounds, basically.
Things that I like about Korea, about being in Seoul, is this mixture between tradition, a very deep, ancient, beautiful, strong tradition, and very open-minded society at the same time. And this is always stimulating for me to be here.
It's the sound of all the little streets, all the gems, all the, the amazing food culture, the shopping, the fashion, the beauty, and the music.
You see those nuances in every place, those little things that are different and particular to the place. And at the same time, there are things that are very universal. Playing music is the same. When I play Bach, there is a cultural attachment to it. It is harmonically, melodically connected to a certain place, to a certain time. But at the very same time, it's universal. It's universal music that is not connected to any place or any time.